Usembut Menteri Rangba Kejala Ba Preston Tensong Henegesngi Ulaong bagi Kompeni ki bepentrai ke Surok Hakeleng Kejala bagi day ban Pyntip Mardor Shaki Board District ne Bor Sarkar la Raja Badon kenu kejing Pynthut ye kakam. Shushu Ulaong ru ba ula betha ki Board District bagi day ban Peit ru bakan don kejing Shna ye kitu ki nong Shna Surok keleng na kebenta kejing yat Peit kakam. Hakaway pat kaliang ulaong bukumba day ban le ki company ki day ban pentikena bikinong bela ki day ban don ye ki labor license.
Issue I'm telling you, I made it very clearly to be it to the company, the construction company, or be it to NHITCL. Any issue or any disturbances or any kind of hindrances that you have, please immediately inform to the district administration. We will take care and will make sure that such hindrances does not occur again, or it should not happen, because this project, it is at the interest of the public in the state of Meghalaya. Then I have already given the instruction to all the district administration, be firm, do it, any incident, any kind of disturbances, as I said to you, especially at site, in those places, in those projects which is undertaken, please make sure that safety, security of the laborers is intact. Nobody can touch them. But at the same time, we also have our state act. I would request the construction companies, see, like labor license. Previously, labor license was issued by the district council, but now it is being issued by the labor department themselves, and we are allowed them to do online, and within 2-3 days you get the license. I would request the contractors or the construction companies, please make sure we allow laborers from outside, but at least make sure that the labor license is given to all the laborers, because see, we have to strictly follow the act, because this act is also for the safety of the laborers. So they need to do it, because this license, once issued, it is binding by the act, the rules which we have already passed in the assembly. And in the event of maybe somebody went to the temporary camp, some miscreants attack the laborers, then government can easily take action accordingly.